right now.
This is your daughter?
Yeah, this is my daughter. This is Hope. George.
What is it?
Yeah.
Hope.
Now we're stabilized.
These go super fast.
All right.
It's a great name. Actually, I'm looking at
We're talking about level control over here. Level control and linear positioning. So linear positioners, and then level control. So this could be black water, it could be any type of fuel. It could be high dielectric, low dielectric, any type of liquid level monitoring, analog that you need to do. Gill, and well, all of these components work. In fact, one of our manufacturers, we have Positech, right?
Yep, yes. Positech is this, and they do a lot of intrinsically safe and non-contact analog sensors.
Yes.
And they do a lot of semi-customization and reasonably and on time.
And difficult applications, difficult materials, where we're foaming or sludge or solutions. We can still do the accurate sensing. So this is an encoder. As the shaft's turning, so you have position indication. Here, actually, put it right by there, and we'll just show it.
As you're spinning,
It doesn't have to touch. It's non-contact.
I see.
Yeah.
so
Get a picture of these guys.
and it's what's called holistic. So I don't know if you're using this for what reason you're doing this,
Yeah.
but
I don't know
what
yet.
that means is that it's looking at the whole surface of both of them, and so that allows it to be a little bit crooked. So an optical encoder has to look at it from a specific point,
High
at a specific angle.
And we have industrial control links. This is a controller and an HMI embedded, and it has the ability to, we can go out multiple protocols simultaneous, multiple networks simultaneous, redundant for the highest level of control. So this is a all stainless platform. This is the long range platform. So we're able to transfer data through the air. So data is coming through an air gap into this controller, which goes to, with IO-Link, to these devices. These are IO-Link modules. These are expansion modules. So one port can go and get additional ports of 4 to 20 milliamp or 0 to 10 volt remote modules. Again, it's OPC UA, Ethernet IP. It's called multi-link. So RNW, when you have a motor that's going to interface with an end device, you've got every possible coupling that is either custom made or catalog devices as well.
Dampened.
Just about anything that you need to do.
Dampened.
To dampen for misalignment, flexibility. I mean, every possible stainless steel, any type of coupling to a motor. That's what we do here.
So they're basically regulating position, maintaining.
And these have the ability to do ultra high speed, but also with communications options like EtherCAT, Ethernet IP.
These little cards on the table are all communications modules.
Yep.
They're designed
These guys
for,
right here.
Speaking basically any language of any kind of manufacturer's network. Well, as I have it, Allen Bradley, ABB, Siemens. We can speak on all the different networks. You can actually put 2 of these cards in one drive and use it as a translator.
Well, the key to this is it's called a double enveloping worm drive, which means that this is concaved and also the gear is concave. So it has about 30% more contact, which makes this about 30 to 40% more efficient in the field, and it lasts about 30% longer in its expanded life.
The TULARE box. So this is a network module that enables the automatic creation of a VPN in 10 seconds using a key. So we can just key it, And now we can have these on any mobile device. It's a secure network. It's automatically generated. You don't have to spend 3 days trying to do the network management. It's encrypted and it's secure.
Whereas this, smaller, it's lightweight, it goes behind the folks. People that want to go faster can go faster. It's quiet, it's solar powered. So we're taking into account a lot of different factors. There's a lot less maintenance. There's no constant inputs.
So this would be like for 3 people, basically?
This is for 4 people.
This is for 4.
You could do it for 2, or you can do it for
I see.
4. You could do 3, I guess.
This is working. This is not just a prototype. This is actually deployed in the field, working.
Yes.
And
yeah, we are in production with this now for this year. Last year was kind of our,
Where are you from?
Watsonville, California.
Oh, yeah. Well, there's a few strawberries over there.
We got, quite a
Why does it
few.
have the little wheels in front?
So this is just a real simple mechanical guide. So this drops down into the furrow, rides on the ground. They're towed in so that way they don't track anyway. They're constantly forced to the middle. So that's the sensor. So you want to see how this goes?
Yeah.
So people would pull this into the field behind them, okay? They'd hit that button, get it ready. Now it won't move if you try to pull on it. They hit that button. Now if you step away a little bit, that's that distance for whatever it is. This one's set out pretty well.
That is so
That's about the max speed it'll go, so it doesn't go much faster than that. So it's not going to run anybody over, crash into anything. You're going to see it coming before it comes.
so I was wondering if you could just give a 1-minute survey of some of the cool things that we're looking at and what's special about Bell Everman.
Okay. So we specialize in linear and rotary automation products. One of our bigger sellers is what we call our servo belt drive, where instead of a recirculating belt drive, we have 2 separate belts, and the top belt gets driven into mesh with the bottom belt via these bearings here on the side. So the only portion under tension is what's under those bearings and over that idler. So you can see it work while it moves through our clear chassis there on the demo stage. And one of the cool things about this is we're limitless in length. We can go up to 100 feet long or even longer. We can run multiple carriages on the same system like we have over here. These can work independently, and you can have, in fact, we've delivered systems that have 26 different carriages on it.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So they can all work independent. You can add different vertical axes. You can make a big H-style bridge out of this. Do just about anything you need.
These are much, or these can be scaled up much bigger. So we have like a giant 50-foot entry.
So I wanted to just show you. This is Mencom. Mencom is a leader in super high quality rectangular connectors. These are something that you might find on outdoor equipment. It's got to be IP67 or waterproof, totally waterproof, but high amp capacity, and they're modular. So we have all kinds of different configurations that we can mate with, up to over 60 amps worth of power. And then we're showing the circular connectors. This is rectangular. The circular connectors are also IP rated for waterproof, but they'll do a couple of different formats. You can do Ethernet or network communications, high-speed networks. You can do signals, low amp signals, and then high current up to 15 amps in this format. With these circular pins, and they error-proof because as you mate a device, so as this mates into another device, I don't have the right one here, but the pins will match, so that there's no one's having to hook or terminate wire to a terminal block. You're just connecting the field screws that are keywayed to go in, so you can't have any wrong connections. And then finally, this is the 60 amp version, so super high power. So 30 amps actually, I think this one particular one is. So 60 amps, 30 amps, and then other signals. And then this is the customization we show that Mencom can do. not only custom overmolds and connectors like this, but also create new products for customers that need to have special connections on their machines. So that's it.